This video is going to cover the basics of using Google Images. When you get to Google Images, a few tips just to help you find the image that you're looking for. So the first thing I'm going to look for is the sky background to use for our example drawing that we're going to be doing. So I'm going to be very specific when I type that in. I'm just going to type in sky background because I want to use it as the background for my image. And so when I click that in there, it's going to give me all kinds of images that show a sky background, and then there's kind of little sub searches that are up at the top that you can click on if you're looking for something specific. But something that you should do and should pay attention to is the size of the images. If you're trying to find a good graphic, then you want one that has a high number of pixels. And so when you click over the image, it'll show you how many pixels it is. So this one's 563 by 280. And what we want is we want one that's probably a little clearer than that. Now you can get just images that are large if you go to the tools and you click on the size and then you click on large. That'll just feed back to you those larger size images. Alright, so now we're on there. We can see that pixel size right away jumped up. This one's 5,000, which is much bigger than what we're going to need, but all these would be probably well over 1,000, some of them quite large. So we can click on one. Now one of the things that you have to make sure is when you get this image to use in Google Drawings, which is what we're going to be using to create our images, you don't take this one here. Now if you right click on this and you copy this image, it just gives you that thumbnail. So if I paste that into here, okay, I don't get a real big image, and if I make it bigger, it starts to get a little bit pixely. So what I want is I want to click on that picture to bring up that little preview window. Now, so I'm going to go to a smaller image here, and let's see. So let's say this one here. Okay, now this one here should be a higher quality image. So I can drag and drop that one into here. And then I can see the quality of this image is quite a bit better because I didn't take just the thumbnail, I took the actual image. So if I wanted to use this one for my background, okay, I can copy this one in and then I can start to edit this.